Ooh, a present. And this one's from Steve Miller because Steve is known as the marketing gunslinger, aka Kelly's dad, also known as the guy who uses orange as his brand color. I immediately knew when I received this package that it was from Steve. Here's another package I received from Steve, and if you want to get a free copy of his book, then come to the Contractor Growth Summit May 4th online. But for now, let's guess what this is. So I'm typically known by my family who can guess what's inside the box. I'm stumped here. I would have thought a coffee mug, but it would have been a big one because this is heavier than a coffee mug. It's got the sound of wood, but it's heavier than a piece of wood. So I'm guessing it's made of metal. And other than that, I don't have any idea. So here we go. How's the time? And here we are. Very exciting. A card. I'll check that out in a bit. But first, oh, orange stuff. Awesome. There's the metal. I would have never guessed that it was an umbrella. I will definitely put these in shoes. A shot glass. Hunting for moose. So you'd have to come to his speech at the Contractor Growth Summit and you'd learn more about what he means by that. I love it. And oh man, what a gift box. I can't believe it. A whistle, safety whistle, a pair of orange sunglasses, classic. I'm just blown away. I love it.